Today, we are going to talk about the latest methods used by game hackers in 2026 and how they bypass modern anti-cheat systems. In the past, one of the most popular techniques was using kernel drivers. Hackers often abuse vulnerable drivers to bypass anti-cheat because both the driver and the anti-cheat operated in kernel mode, giving them the same privilege level. However, by 2026, the landscape has changed. Instead of operating at ring 0, many advanced techniques have moved even deeper to ring -1, the hypervisor layer. So what exactly are ring -1 or blue pill cheats? Let's explore how they work. How do developers even learn to write hypervisor code? It requires a deep understanding of C, C++, assembly language, and computer architecture. They also need to study thousands of pages of Intel and AMD software developer manuals to understand concepts such as CR4 control registers, BMX instructions, and other hardware virtualization. So, how does a ring -1 hypervisor become so difficult to detect? The answer is simple. Because the hypervisor runs underneath the operating system kernel, it has direct control over hardware access and memory. When an anti-cheat system attempts to scan the game's memory, the hypervisor can intercept that request and return a clean, fake view of memory instead of the real one, making the cheating software much harder to detect.